Hi everybody, here's your explanation for the King Arthur character infographic. So this assignment is intended to take you all week to complete. So you've read a lot about King Arthur over the past few weeks, but we really haven't heard about the rest of the characters and what their stories are. We know this is a rich legend filled with many different characters. So this week, I want you to get curious. The goal of this assignment is to learn something about King Arthur legends that we didn't have time to cover in class. I want you just to expand your knowledge here. So I want you to pick one character from the list below. You could choose Morgan Le Fay, you could choose Lady of the Lake, Merlin the Magician, Sir Lancelot, Sir Galahad, Sir Percival, Mordred, or Queen Guinevere. So once you've selected your character, then you're going to conduct some research and learn as much about him or her as you can. You may not use Wikipedia or wikis or blogs as sources. The internet is a huge place and you can do better. Find strong quality sources of information. Pay attention to what person or organization created the site. Make sure it's credible, okay? You have to find 3 sources of information and list those sources on your infographic. Then you're going to create an infographic. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can go to Canva, which is a free website, and you can create an infographic here. And there's lots of different templates you can follow. Or there's a template that you can follow. Big thing though is if you use my template, you have to work in Google Docs. Microsoft programs will not adjust for this. Okay? And you can save this just as like you would save anything else, download as PDF, and that's how you would download it. All right, so you know you're doing research and you got to create an infographic, but what has to be on the infographic? You need the character's name. You need a brief summary of the character's role in the legends, when he or she appears, and at least 3 to 5 complete sentences. You need to list 3 strong descriptive adjectives that capture the character's essence. So you have resource links here. A list of 3 to 5 objects or items associated with the character. A quote that the character would live by. So in other words, like what is his or her motto? What celebrity would play the character in a movie's role, character's role in a movie? And include the celebrity's picture in 2 to 3 sentences justifying your choice. So this celebrity cannot have already been cast in the role. So example, Dev Patel plays Sir Gawain in a recent movie. You can't do that. You have to cast your own new character. Then you need a picture of the celebrity that would play that character. And in today's world, what job would this character do and why? And then include 2 to 3 sentences explaining your choice. And finally, text at the bottom with 3 links to the websites you used to find the main information about your character. Not the pictures, not the quote, not the celebrity, just at least 3 quality websites that gave you good information. So what does this look like? Let's look at an example here. So I did King Arthur because you're not allowed to do King Arthur, and I want you to make sure you are creating your own document here. So King Arthur is a British king who appears in several British stories. He is the leader of the Knights of the Round Table. It is not clear how his character originated. He's brave, honorable, and fearless. Dwayne Johnson as King Arthur. Dwayne Johnson would be a great actor to play King Arthur. King Arthur, in the movies, he is depicted as kind, fair, and brave. For example, in Fast and Furious, he is a leader who brings people together and fight a common enemy. He would demonstrate those qualities in a film depiction of Arthur. And then here's the quote. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Objects associated with the character: Excalibur, the Round Table, the Holy Grail. 21st century job for King Arthur? I think King Arthur would be a great president of the United States. He knows how to bring people together for the common good. He demonstrates leadership. Finally, his job is to protect and take care of the country. Through his stories, he has proven to be able to use these skills efficiently. These skills he has gained would easily translate into the role of President of the United States. And then here are your resources. If you look at the template, I have all of this available, so you just have to kind of fill in the blanks after you've done the research on your character. If you have any questions at all about how to complete this assignment, please do not hesitate to reach out, but I truly look forward to seeing your infographics. Thank you so much.